was driving and then I saw this bird. Okay, we are home. It is already 2:45. Yeah, I feel sorry with that lorikeet. So I was coming and then I saw it was hit by a car from the side. And then it falls down, but it was still standing. And I look back and it's already laying on the ground. Yeah, I was thinking it is going to survive. So I go back and put it on the grass area so that it will not be hit by a car. But it's not moving anymore. And this is what I am going to eat. This is the chicken macaroni salad. I made it 3 days ago and it was delicious. And it's becoming more delicious. Let's try again. Amazing. It was not very delicious when I first ate this. But after like 1 day in the refrigerator, it's so good. It is now 3 o'clock. I actually need to do the laundry because I don't have just the apron and trouser. But the problem is I don't have laundry soap. I remember that one of you suggested to use the dishwashing liquid if I don't have laundry soap. Yeah, thank you. I remember that. That is why I am going to use this dishwashing. Some of this. Whoa, look at that. There is one dead big kangaroo. Yeah, that's sad again. What's happening? Yo, good afternoon guys. We are going home now. Today I finished at 2:15 when I sign out. And I believe it is a bit noisy because my camera doesn't have the microphone dead cut. This is the built-in microphone that is working at the moment. Yeah, because I forgot the wire, the cable. And at the moment there is that there are many. Oh, it's sand. Yeah, look at that sand. Yeah, because this place they put a lot of sand in here to protect the from soil erosion. This is like a dolomite. If you know dolomite, it looks like that. Yeah, because in the Philippines there is there is the Manila Bay and they are putting dolomite to make it white sand. Oh, this morning I saw a dead kangaroo and at the moment it's still here. It's still there, the dead kangaroo. But there is one truck there. I think that truck is going to pick that up. Yeah, that kangaroo is big. Oh, we are here again. I always forgot, but there is one bird here that is always attacking me. I am going to film it. Oh, you see that? Yeah, that's the one. I thought he's not going to attack me, but yeah. This is the one that I'm telling you that I forgot. Yeah, that's why I was plugging with the regular microphone of this camera, the built-in one. I brought this one to my workplace because I charged my bike. Oh, that bird, I think that bird really hates me because every time that I pass in that part of the bay, yeah, he's always attacking me. Not good. I am now cooking the rice, and I am lazy to go to the grocery. That's why I'm again using the dishwashing to wash my clothes. Will be 56 minutes. And the time now, yeah, it's 3:30. Super fast. Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, we are going home now. Oh, today I am expecting the GoPro Hero 9. We are now on our way to Shoal Bay. We are going to meet one person in there. He is a viewer of my video, and yeah, he visited the Shoal Bay, and we're going to meet today. And today I finished at 2 o'clock. Yeah, but I signed out at 2:20 because I put all the boxes in the recycling boxes machine. Yeah. Oh, look at that. There are many people in here. Nice. I want to show you Mr. Mike.
Hello everybody! Nice to meet you, Robbie.
Yeah, thank you for coming
your time.
here.
It was great meeting you, and hopefully I'll see you again someday.
Yeah, thank you. Amazing, there are many people here this time. And mostly are in the bike. Not mostly, but yeah, a lot of them are in the bike. Yeah, it is really amazing. A lot of people. School holiday has started. That is why. So yeah, I met Mr. Mike and he gave me this. I don't know what is this. He said I'll be happy with this one. I don't know, I'm really, yeah, I'm going to open it when I get to the house. But actually, I don't know. Yeah, I'm tempted to open it now. Oh, there are some ladies in there. I will let them go a little far away so that, yeah, people will not think that I am recording them. Of course not. I'm not. I don't. Yeah, I would like to say thank you to Mr. Mike. Mr. Mike, thank you very much. Yeah, thank you for this. Also, thank you for seeing me, for meeting me. I really appreciate. And yeah, Mr. Mike looks like someone that you're going to learn many things. Nice. Thank you, Mr. Mike. Oh, so yeah, Mr. Mike has been here in Shoal Bay for a couple of days already, and he said that a few days ago there was around 10 or more people around here, especially here in the beach. And then today, yeah, a lot of people. Good afternoon.
Hi, we've seen your podcast.
Oh, really? I would like to say thank you to them. Yeah, they are also watching my video. I was really surprised because I stopped here because I'm planning to open this. Yeah, and then they're actually sitting in there, and then there is stand. And then when they approached me, they said, "Oh, we're watching your video. Keep them coming." Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you very much. I really appreciate. Thank you. Yeah, I'm going to open this now. I don't know what is this. Look at this. Mr. Mike, I'm going to open it now.